Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get core blocks in Brookhaven. Many players desire this unique leg accessory for their avatar, but it typically costs a significant amount of Robux. Fortunately, you can achieve a similar stylish look without spending any in-game currency by using special item ID codes. I'll guide you through the entire process, showing you exactly how to find and apply these codes. Brookhaven utilizes item ID codes to customize your avatar and enhance your experience. These codes are essentially unique numbers linked to specific in-game assets, from popular music tracks to various accessories. By finding and using the right codes, you can apply different body parts or items that closely resemble the sought-after core block's leg, giving your character a distinct appearance. To redeem a core block's code, first launch Brookhaven and navigate to your avatar customization menu. Look for an option that allows you to input item ID, often found within the body or accessories section. Carefully enter the numerical code you found into the designated field. Once entered, confirm your selection to instantly apply the new leg accessory to your avatar. Keep in mind that Brookhaven codes can change or expire without notice, so always look for the most current lists available online. If a code doesn't work, simply try another one, as many options exist to achieve similar effects. Don't hesitate to experiment with various item ID to discover unique combinations and find the perfect core block style for your avatar.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.